Hi everyone, welcome back to TV show channel. And on this video, I'll be teaching you all 5 or 6 ways how to make money with only 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira that you have saved, as I've taught you in my previous video. So follow me on this channel, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get more videos on finance, anything pertaining finance, either savings, how to get money, how to manage money, how to plan, how to do budget for your life, even for your company, for church, for clubs, for anything. So follow me on this channel. I will guide you all through. So today will be looking on the 5 ways or 6 ways how to make money. I would like you to have your jota or any written material so that you will jot whatever we'll be discussing here. Number one on the list, we'll be having, you can, with your 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira, you can start selling a recharge card. You know, business, you need patience and humility. There is nothing big that existed at this position. So it started from the scratches. Why am I saying this? Why am I saying this? When I say if I say that selling of recharge card, people say, how will I start selling recharge card with this my position? How will I even start? If my girlfriends saw me or my relatives saw me, they will look down on me. Or I mean, that's where people are start. The first point where people are start getting being bored. So with this your 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira, if you start selling recharge cards, if you buy a recharge card maybe for 10,000 naira, you start selling, you find your place, you display a play card or anything that you are identifying to people that you're selling a recharge card. Before you know, you keep on doing it. You make your money via that recharge card. Do not underrate business. There is no business that is small. Nothing has started from the position where you see it. So it started from the small. Then number two, we have cash agents. Particularly this one is for students or people that are staying in compound or people that are much related or associated with the people in the society. This cash agent means you have 15,000 naira or 20,000 naira. Then maybe you tell your friends that this is what I'm doing. You give me money, I will give you money and you do me transfer. But while you're transferring the interest of 100 naira, 200 naira, or 150, you know, at times people people approach something that will give them the utility or what will satisfy them at that very moment. For somebody to enter keke or motor or taxi to go and withdraw money in the ATM while you have it with you, he will prefer to collect it from you and give you the interest. So while you're doing the cash agent, very very simple for you to get money while people know you with the business or you are popular with it. It'll be very very simple. There is no small money to start a business. Then number three, selling of t-shirts. People say, what does the selling of t-shirt mean? How can I make money doing selling t-shirt? My brother, money is there in selling t-shirts. There's one guy that briefed me some stories of how he started, but it started from the t-shirt. But on this, I will just show you, highlight you a little bit of more. When you go to markets where they're selling okrika, they used t-shirts, they used clothes, but it's usable. You can use it again. So we call it okrika. So when you buy, you go went and you buy the t-shirts, maybe let's say 500 now. You come and wash it and iron it very well, and you find your hanger, you put it inside a good package. When it will attract people and people will come and buy it, and you are going to determine your price based on people's demand. You can even sell it for 1,000 naira and people will buy it. You see, you get your 500 naira or 400 naira. As I've told you earlier, there is no small amount for business. Go to number 4, selling of pure water. People will say, how will I start selling pure water? People will be ashamed of selling pure water, but money is there inside that pure water. You see, people these small pickings are selling pure water. They are making money inside that pure water. When you buy one bag of pure water, it's 100 naira. And if you're selling, each one is 20 naira. While if you're selling it, you sell it 20 naira because there's 20 pieces in it. 10 times 20 is 200. You're getting 100 on 100. When you sell 10 bags, you get equivalent to the money that you buy the first sachet with it. So VA pure water is very, very simple. You just buy one cooler or an old fridge. You buy new pure water, drop inside, put your ice block on top of it. When it's cold, people come and buy it and you will get money. Don't be ashamed to start from the scratches. Don't be ashamed to start with the small you have. Number 5 is supplying of ice block. That was a very, very simple to do. It's very simple. You don't even need 10,000 naira, 5,000 naira. You can even start supplying of ice block and you get your money. Maybe you will be supplying to the traders inside, to the people that are selling food or drinks inside the schools, where if you have schools in your area or even in your society, there are people that have shops that are selling drinks or anything. So you can be supplying the ice blocks for them. You buy the ice block at 50 naira, you disburse to them as 70 or 100 naira. You get your interest. Then number 6, the last one, supply of book. But this one, it get a bit of stress of people who buy the books. People they don't like reading books or anything. My brother, start it as see. You supply books to schools. You supply books to where students are having a convention or any summit. People will buy your books and you get much money inside your book. So with this simple illustration that I've put you through with these 6 ways how to get money, I believe and I have hope in you that I will get a feedback that this content helps somebody and become great. Don't forget to subscribe to this my channel in order to get more video. And my next video I'll be showing you how to budget for a personal life, how to do some things.